Alrighty there, y'all. Hi, it's me, Mila Rose, and today we are here. We're gonna close out the August budget. Y'all, this last week, oh my goodness, it has really been, I have spent some monies. We gonna see if we can work this out and make this work and see what ends up happening. So I'll see y'all in just a minute. Okay, y'all, let's see what we've got. So definitely go in and do $3.25 for envelopes. And we did not use anything from the toll tag. Praise him, because I know I'm gonna need that extra little bit of changalang. I gotta bring my computer over so I can go through my spending and see exactly what everything came up to be. That's the cat in the background. Just ignore him. He's fine. He's playing. This is how I do my closing out for each paycheck, as I go in and I just run what I budgeted versus what I actually spent. So let's see how this goes, y'all. All right. What's on here? I need to look and see what my charter was. Okay, so that was $74.99. And Travelers was 18.08. And then we did savings on there. 50, that 50 came out. Miscellaneous, that 5 is gone. Then we had 10 for Disney. 10, I think it's 1081 actually. Take that out. We did Geico 179.35. And then we have T-Mobile, which is 126.19. Canva, which was $9.71. Netflix is going to be, I'm just going to do the 15 because Netflix hasn't actually come out yet. Metro, not coming out. Travel, we did 50. Make sure that's on there. And then we have, who's left? $8. We'll take out the 8 for cushion. All right, y'all. So here's where things get fun. I got a gym membership, so I had to pay a fee for all the, signing up and everything. So we've got that on there now. 67. And then I also bought some pillows. So that was actually $40, y'all, for pillows. I've never been so just like incensed in my life. I was like, what do you mean? Why? So we're going to see what this adds up to. And see if it is over budget or not. So here we go, y'all. Look at that. I'm all nervous. I can't even get my numbers right. It's 179.35 plus 126.19 plus 9.71 plus 15 plus 50 plus 35 plus 50 plus 220 plus 300 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10 0.81 plus 74.67, woo, plus 40 equals 3675.80, or 16, total 1675.80. Let's see what you're on. You remember how much the paycheck was? I might be okay, y'all. I might have made it. From the blessings, I might have made it. Oh, look at that, y'all. Actually, let's clear. And let me just go and check and see. Y'all, I mean, barely by the skin of my teeth. Ooh, y'all. Let me tell y'all. I got $4. Let me look and see what it is. Ooh wee. That was close. That's a blessing, y'all. I'm telling you though, this was about to be a moment. I was so nervous. I got $4.37 left. And then let's not even talk because we're still not done. I don't even feel like being bothered with doing any of my other stuff. But I don't really have any debt to pay, so I won't pay anything there. I'll probably just move that $4.37 into, actually though, you know what, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna just put it in my savings. So we're just gonna put $4 total amount. Oh, let me show y'all. Here we go. Okay. Total amount is $4.37. And we're just gonna put it in savings. So 37. So that closes that out. But y'all, I gotta go over because I also went and bought some stuff from gardening. And I emptied out gardening. So we're going to have to take that money and put it into the bank. And we're going to have to zero it out. So we'll be starting at 0. So just to make a note so I know, I'll be starting that one at 0. I went and bought some new things to do some gardening stuff with. Y'all know I like to garden. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that 9's gonna go into the bank to pay for that. Since I don't actually have enough, because the gardening was 16. Let me look and see. The gardening was $16.23. Now I'm gonna have to go into my entertainment section, which is this one, and pay out what's left. So I'm just gonna add the 9 in there and then take the full 16 out. So we're gonna, oh, grumping. We're going to 0.8, that's 28 plus, let's see, gardening plus 9. So that leaves us with 25.85. Then error 8, that's 28 Callaways. Callaways minus 16.23. And let's do that math because I want to make sure I have this right. 25.85 minus 16.23 equals, so I have $9.62 left in entertainment for the week. Ooh, that went fast, y'all. All right, and we still not done. Surely I'm not, because I need to subtract from, I don't know if I have a sinking or a page for that. I don't think I actually do. So I guess I'll just leave it as is, but I did end up taking some money out of my emergency savings, so that's where we are with that. So we have closed out our budget. I would have had a little bit of chang-a-lang left over, a good little amount. But the blessings, y'all, the blessings of having a budget, because even though I did overspend and even though I bought some extra things, I ended up still having enough to not need to dip into my cushion or savings or credit cards or anything like that to have to pay for all of these budget items. So, woo! So we gonna change it up, because next month we've already done, hopefully you've seen, if you haven't, go check out my September paycheck bill tracker. I've already done the first paycheck for September, and that is done and ready to go. And then I will hopefully have some leftover funds with that one. And a lot is changing for my September bill tracker. And I'm going to start using, because I've always had it, I just never use it or put it on here. I have another bank account, and I'm going to actually start using my tracker for that one so that I can keep up with what's going on with my new accounts. And I'll go over all of that when I do that video. Probably around the 16th of September is when I will do my new Chase paycheck bill tracker for my other accounts. So that's everything, y'all. Woo! I was nervous. I'm telling y'all, I was nervous, but everything worked out, and that's going to be it. So I will see y'all next week, and y'all have a great one. Bye.